In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Monday.com, whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or planning your next big adventure. A checklist is an essential tool for keeping everything in order. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this feature in Monday.com to streamline your workflow effectively. To start, it's important to note that checklists in Monday.com are nested inside an item on your board. Think of each item as a container that houses your checklist, keeping everything organized within your project. To create a checklist, you'll first need to click on an item. This action will expand the item, allowing you to see more detailed information. You'll notice a large checkbox accompanied by a toolbar above it. This is where the magic begins. On the far right of this toolbar, there's a checkmark icon. By clicking on this icon, you initiate the creation of your checklist, and just like that, your checklist is ready for action. This simple yet powerful feature is especially handy for breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. Each task within your checklist can be checked off once completed, providing a sense of accomplishment and helping you visually track progress at a glance. Moreover, Monday.com gives you the flexibility to treat items on a board as a checklist through the use of statuses. This approach allows you to set statuses on each item, like done or not done, and then organize them into groups accordingly. This method is particularly useful when you want to quickly assess which tasks have been completed and which ones still require attention. Grouping items by their status is an excellent way to maintain a high-level overview of your project's progress. It enables you to see at a glance the areas where your team might need additional focus or to celebrate completed tasks properly. By utilizing this feature, you're ensuring that your project flow remains transparent and organized, keeping everyone on the same page. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily create checklists within Monday.com that will help you stay organized and efficient, no matter what project you're tackling. Whether you're detail-oriented or prefer a more broad strokes approach, Monday.com's checklist feature allows adaptability to your style of work. Integrating this tool into your day-to-day routine will help streamline your processes, making it easier to manage tasks and ultimately achieve your goals. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.